Okay, so what I decided to do for this presentation is demonstrate the technology of Google Drive slash Google Slides. I think this is a good tool for students and teachers because most students have been using Google Drive since grade school and high school since about 2014. So they already understand it and they know how to use it. Google Drive is also free, unlike Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It can be accessed on any computer, cell phone, or tablet with internet access. Google Slides, Google Docs, and Google Sheets can all be transformed into Microsoft format so everyone is able to view it no matter what software they have. Overall, it is easy to use and easy to share with others. It is also very easy to perform tasks on Google Slides, such as inserting pictures, inserting a text box, changing themes, changing background colors, and reformatting the page. So, based off of the um, case study, I decided to do the example of the anti-Vietnam War art during the 1960s. So my presentation is going to cover how to share the presentation with your group, copy the link and share with the whole class, leaving comments, highlighting ideas, typing a note directly onto someone else's slide, inserting a text box, inserting pictures, changing themes, changing background colors, and formatting pages. So first things first, sharing. So in the top right corner over here, there is a yellow box labeled share. You're going to want to come over here and type in the name of your participant. So what we're going to do is we're just going to type in my name. So as you can see, that person's name should pop up right here. You'll click on it. You can type a message in with this if you'd like or not and press send. Now this will show up in that person's Google Drive. Another thing you can also do that you need to do actually is come over here. And typically whenever you have a new Google Google Drive link of any sorts, it's always going to be set on restricted. So what you need to do is come over here and say anyone with the link can access it. So now that you have that done, you'd want to copy the link. Just click on that right here. Now you can copy that and paste, or you can copy and paste that and email that to whoever you need to in order for them to be able to see this. So for brainstorming between students, students can leave notes on a slide if they have something that they want to mention or contribute or critique with the info that they have provided from another student. They can also highlight or just type something at the end of a slide in a different color to separate it from the original student's work. With each edit, the teacher will be able to tell who did what by using a color coding system. In my examples, I use student A is blue, student B is red, and student C is green. Also, the teacher feedback in this is very important. The teachers can use the feedback methods the same way that the students can, but for the teachers' feedback methods, I would suggest using the notes method that I'm about to show you. The teachers can also download the presentation if they would like for later grading. So here are the examples of brainstorming. And this is the how to leave a comment on the side like you see here. A teacher could do it. So this is an example of a teacher feedback. You see that that is for fact 7. It's highlighted right there, darker than the rest. So, and then you can see other ones. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do this again. So what you do is come over here and highlight one of these with your cursor. You come and you click on this button over here, and then you come over here and click on this one now, and you go ahead and type your comment. You add that in, and now you can see that that is with fact 3. You click on fact that one, and it shows that, or you can click on these that you see highlighted, and it will tell you exactly which one goes with which. The next one you can do is brainstorming. So as you can see, these are all the next one that you can do is highlighting. Um, as you can see, all of these are highlighted. I'll go ahead and unhighlight a few of them to make it easier to see. Um, okay, so typically what you would do is you would come over here and highlight. So you'll come over here with your cursor and come over here and click this button that has the 3 dots. Come over here to the highlighter, and you would, since everything's yellow, I'm going to choose yellow. And as you can see now, fact 8 is highlighted. Now, for this, you can see that some notes have already been left. So what you would do is come over and click next to the last note that the student had originally left. So now you can see that that's highlighted, separated a little bit, and come over here and you're going to choose your font color and click on this. Now that you see that going on, you can type whatever you need to. Okay, now come over here. We're going to do easy to perform tasks. So the easy to perform tasks, you can insert the pictures, you can insert a text box, change the themes, change the background colors, or you can change the formatting of the page. Okay, so we're going to go here to insert the page. So there's one already here. We'll delete that and start a fresh one. So now you're going to go to insert and you will come to image right here and you're going to go to search the web. You can do upload from computer, but I think it's easier to search from the web and it's faster. That way you don't have to look on your computer for what you found. So it takes it from Google Images. As you can see, I already typed in anti-Vietnam War art, 1960s. So I'll just choose one of these and I will insert it. And now I can drag it around wherever I want because I deleted the original text box that was here. To delete the text box, you would click on it just like this and press the delete button on your keyboard to get rid of it. That way you can move this wherever you would like. You can also reformat it. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, and you can drag it with your cursor just however you need it to fit on the page. The next one would be inserting the text box. You want to make sure that there are no text box already on here. So as you can see, there is one. I highlighted it by clicking on it, and I'm just going to delete it with the delete button on my keyboard. Now we're going to insert the text box right here, and we're going to go that way. Now it'll go as wide as you want, but it cannot go as long. It will go as long as you start typing. It will go longer when you start typing, or you can press the enter button just so you know how much room you have. Either way, it will get there. It just won't get there right away. Now, changing the theme. You'll come over here and you're going to choose this right here, and it'll give you a list of themes. Now, the themes will change the background colors, the fonts, and the font colors. As you can see, this one has a different font, different background, and stuff like that. This is the theme that I chose. I'm going to go ahead and keep it because it'll reformat my presentation. So changing background colors. So what we're going to do is go to click background right here, and we're just going to make it gray. So there's gray and done. Now you can see that that's changed. Now reformatting the page. So let's say we wanted to make it a different format. You come here, you come to page setup. Now it gives you options, or if you wanted to make a custom option, you could come here and type in whatever you wanted. I'm not going to reformat it because it will reformat every single slide. So I'm going to leave that there. Now for the final demonstration, you will be able to see how the students can use these and how their final project will look while using the changing background colors, reformatting the pictures and inserting the pictures, inserting text boxes. So like I said originally, student A is blue, student B is red, and student C is green. So here is that. Now you can see student A, and you can see that they reformatted this picture and they entered in a text box right there. You can see student B right here, they're red. You can see that they reformatted their picture and sent in a text box right here. You can also see student C is green. Same thing, they reformatted the picture and set in and put in a text box. Now to reiterate everything, it can be easily shared with others. Notes can be left by teachers and students. It can be edited by anyone the editor's allowed to access it. It's easy for teachers to leave feedback. Teachers can download the presentation. And I believe that Google Drive or Google Slides is the easiest technology you can use for something like this.